Some estimates show that there are more than 1 million dogs and cats in New York City, or about one pet in every 3 households. Lots of pets. But with each building seemingly having its own rules for owning a pet, your legal rights might be a little confusing, so we want to help you out. We sent Stacy Delicat out to sort it out for us. Watch.
New York is a city of animal lovers, but sometimes the city's apartment buildings aren't as pet-friendly as the people. Many landlords or co-op or condo boards don't allow pets, and even when they do, there can be size or breed restrictions. If you're having issues with your landlord or co-op boarding your pet and you feel like you might be the victim of discrimination, there are resources out there. You can contact the Mayor's Alliance for Animals, or you can also get in touch with representatives from the federal, state, or local housing agency. In Madison Square Park, I'm Stacy Delicat. Ernie, back to you.
All right, Stacey, thank you very much. Let's continue to talk about a great subject. Adam Leitman Bailey is joining me, who is a lawyer who represents rental buildings, co-ops, and condos. Adam, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Should have brought your little dog, too. That would have been nice.
Penelope would have loved it.
I'm sure she would have. Hey, let's talk about this. This is a big subject for New York. We know this. Talk about the rights that owners have when it comes to pets in the building for all 3 of these buildings we talked about.
So for rental buildings and cooperatives, most of the time in their leases or their proprietary leases or bylaws, there's a provision that says that you're not allowed to have pets.
Right.
So so the people that are bringing in pets are disobeying the rules of the building.
Okay, so
there are ways of doing that.
There are ways of doing that. Is that the pet law we're talking about?
The pet law.
Yeah.
So the pet law says that if you can sneak the dog in for 90 days or the cat in for 90 days, and the owner or an agent of the owner knows about it, it gets to stay for life.
So you're protected that way. Now, they were just saying in the story that a lot of New Yorkers don't know about this, Adam.
Right. Well, this is why they have to watch your show.
Yeah, exactly.
So on my side, when you're the building, you have 90 days in Manhattan to actually get into court and sue before the 90 days are up to evict the person for bringing in the animal without permission.
Okay, but there are also, people who need dogs for disability reasons and also for emotional, support.
Correct. So the one that every landowner in New York allows is if you're blind, and you need a seeing eye dog, that's a permissible.
Sure.
Right. The other one is if you have a disability or a handicapped. And so, for example, you came back from the military and you have post-traumatic stress syndrome.
Right.
They're going to allow that dog in.
Yeah, that's.
But what about the person that orders on the internet for $100?
Yeah.
A certificate that says that they need a service dog and they've only been to a doctor once. And they have anxiety. Is that a handicap disability?
You get a lot of cases like that too?
Tons.
You do?
Tons.
Right. And how do they come out in a nutshell? Most of the time.
It really depends. The answer is we're pretty good at them, but the answer is a lot of work goes into them.
Yeah.
A lot of money is spent. For what reason?
A lot of questions, but you got a lot of answers. People have resources they can go to and find out. Adam, we thank you so much for this. It's a good subject, affects a lot of people too.
Thank you for having me.
Come back again.
Thank you.
All right, Adam.